Hello!
Hello!
Welcome to my salsa home. My name is Daniel.
And I'm Jasmine.
And today we show you some beautiful shines for your salsa social dancing. So stay tuned.
Do you know how it feels? You're in a salsa party and dancing with a super high level dancer. And by the way, you're super nervous and then the moment comes. Soul shines. Oh my goodness. Yes, the feet of the partner are on fire. He's going so crazy and performs the craziest shines you ever seen. And you're just like, oh my goodness, what should I do? Do you know the moment? I know the moment.
I know the moment too.
Oh my goodness. Yes, and to avoid these moments, here's a video for you, and we will solve your problem with these following super easy, super beautiful shines for your social dancing.
Shine number 1 is use your basics. So if you don't know anything about shines, just use your basics, okay? What do we mean by that? Basics are also left turns and right turns. And also, if you want to spice it up, your basics such as a diamond, okay? So it's like crossing in front, crossing behind, crossing in front, yeah? From the side is param pam pam param pam pam pam. So it looks like if I would dance like a diamond, okay? So there are different ways to spice it up, okay? So use your basics, do the left turn, chuck, and the right turn, whatever you want to do, okay? So stay connected with your partner, even you're not connected physically, yeah? But watch him, watch her, okay? So keep focused, because maybe in a few seconds he grab you, or no, doesn't matter, and then it goes further. Let's talk about shine number 2, okay, which is really easy, and actually you can do that also in the club, okay? So really easy, check it out. I will do a basic and then I go into the shine number 2, okay? 5, 6, 7, and a 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, 8 on 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, one more, 6, 7, 8 on 1, 2 and 3, a boogaloo like, but doesn't matter, yeah, so just try to go with the beat, just by stepping and pronounce each beat, okay? So it was 8 on 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, and then 1. It's like a little bit like mambo, but it's not mambo, okay? Which is like that, yeah? But you pronounce like mambo each step. Ba, 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 and then 1. Okay? That would be shine number 2, and it's easy, right? I mean, you can do it with, yeah, you can do it everywhere, and it looks, in most cases, it suits to every song. So, yes. Of course, if there is a romantic song, yeah, you don't want to do like that, yeah? Okay? So, but you can do it with flavor, let's say, yeah? Ba-da-dum, ba-da-dum, la-da-dee, la-la, doo-doo. Yeah? So you can do a little bit more. It's almost the same, just a little bit different. Okay? All right, let's do shine number 3.
Yes, and this is the Suzy Q.
The most common shine.
If you don't know the Suzy Q, it's super easy. You just have to cross in front, replace, and cross again, and the same with the other leg.
Maybe we can do it like this.
Yes.
To this side.
So we start with the left and cross in front. On 1, replace, 2, and cross again, and other leg, cross, replace, and cross, and go back in your basic. Super easy. One more time, and we go cross, replace, cross, and cross, replace, and cross. to see.
6, 7. Let's do it one more time here. Oh, let's do it together. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1. Okay.
So, and you can spice your Suzy Q up, especially as a lady, with super easy arm movements. When you do this, you can just open your hands and do something with your hands, or you can just bring one arm up or slide on your body, or move your shoulders a little bit. That makes a so huge difference to that. This is super boring, but when you do it like that, you move your arms a little bit. Yes.
Just do me a favor. If you do all the basics, doesn't matter what shine, don't do that.
Yes.
It's like you're sad, you don't know who you are, you're like, oh my gosh. Don't do that, okay? Or Suzy Q. I know the movie from Jim Carrey, it's like. So try to use your arms because they support you, especially in balance, okay? Very important. And bring them up 90 degrees. That's also which we mention our memberships in our online classes. It's very important. In every class we are mentioning everything about styling.
Yes.
So let's go to tip number 4, which also is for both guys. Every shine we have just mentioned or show you are for both. Okay?
Yes.
You can do the Suzy Q, but like normal as a man and also as a lady, you can pronounce it as a lady, okay? So it's up to you.
Yes, and the last shine we have for you is a left turn, but not a normal basic left turn, it's a special left turn. We will show it first?
Yes, I call them the flirty left turn.
Oh, do you?
Yeah, I do it,
okay.
because you're flirting a little bit.
Let's demonstrate first. We do one basic, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and then again, basic, okay?
So if I would do it here, in the social dancing, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, flirty, and 1, 2, 3, 5, again, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
So, and also here, the lady can do super cool things with the arms to style this move up. If you want to know what variations there are possible for you, check out the link below, classes.mysalsahome.com. There we will publish a class for both, so you can learn the shine as a lady with special variations of your arm movement, and also we show you a variation to look very cool and masculine by doing this move.
So there are plenty other shines. There's also the pachanga, but we were talking now here about you and easy. So try to do everything easy. That's really important for you, just to find out how it is to make a shine during your social dancing, okay?
And as a generally tip at the end of the video, we can say relax a little bit when you're dancing with a professional.
Take a wine.
Yeah, have a drink. And don't worry about that he is doing some crazy shines and you don't know anything about shine as me, so I'm dancing since 1 year and I don't know anything about shines. And when it comes to social dancing, I'm doing nothing else than these shines we show you. Okay, so don't worry. Also, the professional high-level dancer started at 1 day and didn't even know what is a Suzy Q, so don't worry.
Relax.
Alright
guys, so hope you enjoyed this video. If you have other shines in mind, just write it down and see you.
Thanks.
To feel it.
Bye bye.